How to check Google Photos trash. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys can check Google Photos trash. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up Google Photos. After you're on your Google Photos, so let us first delete an photo here. I'll delete this. Now after deleting it, what we can do is find for it on the trash bin. To do that, here on the middle button, you'll find collections. Head over collections. Under collections, you'll find bin right here. If you don't find it, scroll down a bit and there you'll find the bin. Tap on bin and you should find your photos that you deleted right here on the bin. And yeah, you can reload it to check the photo that you previously deleted just now. So, and yeah, as it says right here, every photos will be deleted after 60 days permanently. So you can find any photos that you deleted between that time right here on the bin. And that's basically how you check Google Photos trash bin. Thanks for watching guys. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.